So let's see. I was gonna wear these headbands for like, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're doing a wig review on the Zury Sis Ego wig, and we're gonna have a little chit chat because did you miss me? I didn't do a Sundays video this Sunday, and I also didn't do a video on Monday because I was spending time with the family. That's what's important. Anyway, we're gonna have a little chit chat. I'm gonna tell you about the wig, tell you about all the deets of what's going on in this video, and we're just gonna have a little relaxed, chill wig review. Okay, so if you want to know about the specs of this wig, the accessories, and all of that great stuff, continue watching, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, I normally upload on a Monday, but hey, it's life. So I wanted to do this video just to kind of talk to y'all real quick. How y'all doing? How are y'all feeling on this beautiful afternoon? I'm feeling good, y'all. You know what? It's a lot going on. It's a lot going on in the world, but let's just go ahead and have a conversation, okay? Today we're going to be talking about Zury Sis Miss Ego. I have the color FS1B30. So this is a new wig. It's supposed to be like a vacuum bag wig where you basically just put it on and you're supposed to, it says hook it, draw it, fit it, okay? So yeah, it's new. So what's that mean? We excited about something new. So I'm going to show you guys what this is looking like. This wig, fresh out the pack, is pretty cute. It's looking like it's going to be like an everyday kind of wear. Right out the pack, it's looking like there's no lace on this unit, okay? So this is going to be a right side part. It's just a lace part wig, and there's two combs. There's one right here, one right here. There's no adjustable straps kind of to adjust it back here. It just looks like it has like this bag right here. This is what they're calling the stretchy elastic vacuum seal, and it also has this band right here. So this is looking like it's gonna be an everyday kind of wear wig. Really simple. This is what the style is looking like. She just comes with some nice curls. She's super cute. I like the style of this because we all need an everyday wig. Like, stop playing. We all need everyday wigs, okay? I don't know if I said it, but there's also two combs in the back. They're kind of like on the side. Yeah, so I wanted to do a talk through with you guys, okay? I know I didn't have a video on Sunday for my skinny Sundays. I apologize, but I needed to spend some time with my family. And guys, family is important, okay? Family is very important, and if you know me personally, I don't play about my family, okay? So I could drop this all day. It's all about my family.
Just then.
Family time is so important. So family is so important to me, y'all. All right, so I do like the texture of this wig. It feels really good. I apologize about not having a skinny Sundays video, but I should have one for y'all next week. This weekend has been crazy. First of all, you know, I think we're all kind of a little traumatized right now at all the trauma that's been ooh, wow, this is already fitting my head. I'm not too sure if I need to address this band right here. Just anything in the back. Yeah, so I know a lot has been going on. I also want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the wig sale this weekend because y'all showed out. There's still a couple units left, so go ahead and check that link below. I appreciate everybody that did show up and show out for your girl. Thank y'all so much because these wig sales actually help with my channel and maintaining it, you know. So this cap already is like, I didn't even adjust the strap in the back, guys. I didn't even like pull the vacuum up, but this has fit into my head already. I don't even have to do anything to this, but it says that you can like adjust the strap. So there's this a little adjustable strap back here, and it says you can adjust it, but guys, I ain't even have to. I didn't have to do anything. This feels really tight. This wig feels like it's one of those wigs where you don't even really need a wig grip, okay? Feels like you just put it on your head. I'm not too sure if I can wear this today. This might need to ease up real quick. I like the color of this. It's really cute. It's really pretty. This front is really dense right here, so there's no pulling back anything. This is kind of looking a little wiggy to me. And right here, the fact that I couldn't cut my lace is one of those laces where it's going to give you kind of that line of demarcation, so you might need to put it off your hairline a little bit. Let's see. We're going to have to make this work, okay? Yeah, so I was saying, I appreciate y'all for the wig sale, because the wig sales help maintain this channel. Because some people think this stuff is free. Ain't nothing free. Ain't nothing free in life. We also just learned about Chadwick, which is really, really sad. It goes to show that you never really know what somebody is going through. You never know. Like, honestly, to have stage 4 cancer, that's serious. And apparently he was battling cancer for like 4 years. I had no idea. But you don't need to know people's stuff. You don't need to know people's information. You never know what people are going through. That's why I say appreciate the moments, appreciate the time. I spend time with my family. I don't play. Like, you just never know. And I never take things so personally too when people are going through stuff. So I'm going to add some powder in this parting space, because this is looking super wiggy to me, but this is cute. This is the kind of style that I like. I actually just posted that Davita wig, which is the everyday kind of wig, and this is kind of giving me those kind of vibes with this style, but I like it. I feel like I just went to the salon now. That's what happened. So look at that. Look at what I just did. I literally just put powder in the parting space. I didn't even have to adjust the cap. You brush her out. I like the style of this right here. This bang is kind of a little flat, but it's cool. It's not bad. But then again, I was complaining about all that like filler hair with Davita, so look, you can never be satisfied. Like, I'm over here got exactly what I was asking for, and I'm over here complaining about it being too flat. See, we don't know what we want in life. We don't know. Also too, I'm big on support, y'all. I try to support people as much as I can. Funny, because it could be somebody in your family that's selling a t-shirt or some jewelry or something, and you won't buy it from them. Why we do that? Why do people do that? But then the next person up the street selling the same t-shirt, the same jewelry, and you'll go buy it from them, or even like take their advice. I don't know how I want to feel with this wig, because it's kind of wiggy. It's just the denseness of it is throwing me off a little bit, but it's cute. It's super cute. It's a very everyday style, and I'm loving these highlights. Yeah, so why do we do that? I don't know. I don't do that, but I notice some people do that. Like, stop doing that. Let's support each other, okay? So on that note, shout out to Shandism 101. She's a YouTuber here. I am wearing this shirt, and this shirt is super comfortable, y'all. I'm a t-shirt girl, and I might have to go back and get some more t-shirts, because this is comfortable. This necklace right here that I'm wearing, this is from my friend. It's Paparazzi Jewelry. You guys probably seen a lot of Paparazzi Jewelry in my videos, but it's super affordable. It's like $5 for a necklace and like accessories. They're super cute. And that's another thing too, like your cousin is over there selling her Paparazzi Jewelry and you refuse to go support her little small business. Why? But yet you could go support Johnny up the street. Stop doing that, y'all. Stop. We gotta be better. We gotta be better with ourselves, y'all. We gotta do better. So I'm liking this hair. I like the texture of her. I do like the curls. I think she's kind of like everyday style. She is a simple put on your head, let's get out the house style. I do like the highlights. I don't really have any complaints about this. The texture feels good. Yeah, she's cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I know I went on a couple rants, but I will leave links. And you know what? My headbands just came too. You could even put a headband on this. Hold on real quick. Shout out to the Hearts and Cake 90, because these headbands just came in the mail as I'm filming this. And I'm excited about this because I have a half wig video coming up, and look how cute these headbands are. I know this is not a headband video, but it legit just came while I was talking to y'all. I had to show y'all what just came, okay? So let's see. I was gonna wear these headbands for like, oh my god! I was gonna wear these headbands for my headband video that I have coming up later on this week, but look at that. That is the cutest thing. So yeah, this wig is wiggy, but you can spice it up. You can make this stuff look cute, okay? That is super cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Let me know how you guys are doing. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I want to know how y'all doing, okay? Because we need to talk. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.